On the banks of the Vltava lies Prague, the magnificent city of 100 spires. In the 14th century, the Roman Emperor Charles IV elected it as his place of residence and commissioned many buildings. He assigned the architect Peter Parler to build Charles Bridge across the river. In the middle, St. John of Nepomuk is still an object of veneration. The martyr perished after being thrown from the bridge on the order of Wenceslaus IV. The historic center of Prague is located on Hradčany Hill. Kafka's castle really exists. The seat of royal power from 1158, monarchs and architectural styles changed until flamboyant Gothic. St. Vitus's Cathedral, began in 1344 and completed only in the 20th century, was also commissioned by Charles IV. Kings entered through the Golden Gate, surmounted by a Venetian mosaic. Inside, the proportions of the choir were inspired by French art. The monumental edifice is bathed in light. The cathedral contains several royal tombs, including that of good King Wenceslaus, murdered on the 28th of September 935 on his brother's orders. According to legend, the dying king grasped this bronze ring. In the late 16th century, the rise to power of Rudolf II, Count of Habsburg, ushered in a major architectural shift. Prague embraced the Baroque age. The district of Malá was the heart of this artistic revival. In the town hall square, the arts flourished. Illustrious astronomers Kepler and Tycho Brahe, attracted by the prestige of this city, admired the astronomical clock built in 1410. In this city, inscribed on UNESCO's World Heritage List in 1992, only the clock shows the passage of time. The wine region of southern Moravia is home to one of the largest man-made landscapes in Europe. It all began in Valtice, when the Liechtenstein family became owners of the city and the castle in 1395. The building was transformed into a masterpiece of Baroque art by the architect Johann Bernhard Fischer von Erlach. But it was mainly the vast estate that became the object of the Liechtenstein family's affection. Nature was ordered according to English Romantic conceptions of landscape architecture. The structures that dot the grounds are inspired by antiquity and the Orient. These small edifices, typical of the Romanticism of the 18th and 19th century, are follies. All the monuments blend harmoniously into the landscape of ponds and woods. The most famous of the follies are fake medieval ruins of a castle called John, in honor of John I of Liechtenstein, who built it. Across a pond is a minaret. Almost 200 feet high, it offers an impressive view of the summer residence of the Liechtensteins, Ledens Castle. The neo-Gothic castle was home to the royal family until it was nationalized in 1945. The interior is a succession of staterooms and private apartments. Gothic Romanticism is also seen in the decorative wood paneling and coffered ceilings, and a beautiful spiral staircase, delicately carved from a single tree. the exceptional cultural landscape of Lednice-Valtice was classified as World Heritage by UNESCO in 1996.